Now in this video we will discuss about piston. Now here what it is, piston is. Now we have already discussed about the piston, just few additional things in it. Now, the piston is an reciprocating engine component. It is used in reciprocating pumps, compressors, pneumatic cylinders and similar mechanisms. Now it is a moving component that is contained by a cylinder and is made gas tight by the piston rings. In an engine, its purpose is to transfer force from the expanding gas in the cylinder to the crankshaft via piston rod or a connecting rod. Now in a pump, the function is reversed and the force is transferred from crankshaft to the piston for the purpose of compressing or injecting the fluid in the cylinder. Now we have already discussed about the engine. Now in case of a pump, it is reversed. Now what it is reversed? In case of pump, especially air compressor, what we need a compressed air. So for that, we do the reverse mechanism. Now what is that? We give the rotational motion to the crankshaft and it is converted into the reciprocating motion of piston. And that is why the air is compressed, and that compressed air we use it for in case of a tires. Now in some engines, the piston is also acts as wall by uncovering the ports in the cylinder wall. Now here you can see in case of a two-stroke engine. Now in two-stroke engine, this piston is also act like the valve by covering and uncovering the ports. Now this is regarding two-stroke engines. So this is the working of a piston. This is the function of a piston, that how it is important in the piston cylinder engine.